Hello guys, it's Hunter. And today, my mom got into a car crash. I want to show you how much damage it's done. We don't know whose fault it is, but right now I'm going outside. Hold on. It got pretty bad. Damaged. All of that is all just damaged, bruised up. But right now, that's all I want to show you. If you don't know, my sister has her own YouTube channel. It is Purple Glitter. Maybe you should subscribe. I don't care. But they did a vid. She posted it on her Instagram. When she came from my foot. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I broke it down. It used to be right here. This one, open spot. And when she saw a spider, she said, "Oh, I saw a spider." She was running out right here. And right here, she stepped on a nail. But her Instagram is Red Rosebud. Her YouTube channel is Purple Glitter. And so far, that's all I've been doing. I found out today that she got in a car crash. She was on her way to work, and then the four-way stop sign. She stopped, and then she went. So she did it, but another guy just rushed through it, who I'm pretty sure it's his fault. But it got damaged pretty badly. You can't see it from right here. You have to be like up here, but jeez. So that's all for today. I'm sorry that I had to distract you, but this happens every day. Thank you. Bye.